In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Google Calendar for productivity. Let's start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. On the left panel, look for the section labeled Other Calendars and click the plus icon next to it. Choose Create New Calendar, then make separate calendars for the main areas of your life. Things like work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health. Give each calendar a distinct, memorable color so you can recognize it at a glance. Color coding is the fastest way to scan your week and instantly understand where your time is going, and you can toggle calendars on or off whenever you want to narrow your focus. Next, dial in your defaults so every event behaves the way you want. Click the gear icon, open settings, and go to event settings. Set a default event duration. 30 or 60 minutes is ideal to prevent meetings from sprawling. Add 2 default reminders, such as 1 hour before and 10 minutes before, so you get a heads up and a just-in-time nudge. Choose how you want to be notified, either with pop-up notifications or email, depending on whether you need an immediate prompt or a record in your inbox. These small defaults dramatically reduce missed tasks. Now, time block your day instead of relying on a loose to-do list. Create calendar events for your priorities. For example, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock a.m. for admin tasks, 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock a.m. for deep work, 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock p.m. for client calls, and 4 o'clock to 5 p.m. for content creation. Treat these blocks like appointments with yourself. If something shifts, drag the block to a new time rather than skipping it, so the work still gets done. To make routines effortless, set key events to repeat. Open an event and turn on repeat. Schedule a weekly planning session on Sunday evening, a monthly budget review, recurring client check-ins, and your gym schedule. Automating these patterns ensures they happen without constant rescheduling. Protect your focus by using focus time to automatically block meetings during deep work and mark time you're unavailable with out of office, so invites are declined. If you use Google Tasks, integrate it so tasks appear on your calendar and get real time. Sync everything across devices by installing the Google Calendar app on your phone, enabling notifications, and making sure it's connected to your Gmail so invites and changes appear automatically. Link your video tools like Google Meet or Zoom so join links are added to events and easy to find. Finally, use event descriptions to keep context in one place. Add the meeting agenda, notes, relevant links like video rooms or documents, and a simple checklist of action items. When it's all in the event, you'll arrive prepared, stay on track, and leave with clear next steps. Set this up once, and your calendar becomes a system that supports your best work every day.